Have you ever paused to consider the intricate magic behind your computer screen? It's a question that hovers in the realm of the everyday, yet remains shrouded in mystery. Computers have become indispensable tools, subtly orchestrating our lives with precision and efficiency. Yet, their fundamental workings remain a puzzle to many. This essay seeks to unravel that mystery, turning the complex into the comprehensible. By peeling back the layers of technology, we reveal the core components, hardware and software. At the core of every computer is the Central Processing Unit, CPU, often referred to as the brain of the machine. This tiny chip processes instructions, performs calculations, and orchestrates activities of other components. The CPU's speed is about how efficiently it can process your commands. It communicates with other parts of the computer, receiving data, processing it, and sending instructions in split seconds. This rapid processing makes browsing, gaming, and editing possible. The faster the CPU, the smoother your experience. Without the CPU, none of this would be possible. When it comes to performance, memory and storage play pivotal roles. RAM, random access memory, is your computer's short-term memory. It stores data temporarily to provide quick access for the CPU. The more RAM your computer has, the more tasks it can handle simultaneously without slowing down. Then there's long-term memory, storage. This is where your files, programs, and operating system reside when they're not in use. The interaction between RAM and storage is crucial for smooth operation. When you launch a program, the CPU retrieves data from storage and places it into RAM for quick access. This is why having sufficient RAM can make your computer feel incredibly fast. It means less time retrieving data from the slower storage. Imagine editing a large video file. Without adequate RAM, your system would constantly fetch data from the hard drive, a much slower process. With enough RAM, your computer can hold more of this data at once, making the editing process smoother and faster. Input and output devices are the means by which we communicate with our computers, and they with us. Input devices such as keyboards, mice, and scanners allow us to enter information into the computer. Output devices like monitors, speakers, and printers help the computer communicate back to us. These devices are essential for interaction and enable computers to fit seamlessly into our lives. Each input and output device plays a unique role. A keyboard and mouse might be used for creating a document while a monitor displays the results. Speakers provide audio feedback, and a printer materializes digital content into physical form. Each device interacts with the computer's CPU and memory to facilitate these tasks. Think of playing an engaging video game. Your input through the controller, an input device, affects what happens on the screen, an output device, all facilitated by the computer's internal components. This interaction is what makes digital environments both dynamic and interactive. Understanding how these components interact is like understanding a symphony. Each part of the computer, from the CPU to the RAM, from the storage to the input-output devices, plays its role perfectly to produce the user experience. This coordination is managed by the software, which directs the hardware according to the needs of the user and the instructions of the applications. When you click on an icon to open an application, a series of events triggers within the computer. The software tells the CPU what to do, the CPU talks to the RAM and the storage, data flows back and forth, and the result appears on your monitor. This seamless operation is what allows us to use computers so effortlessly in our daily lives. For instance, consider the process of sending an email. The software, your email client, accepts your input, the CPU processes it, the RAM speeds up the access, the data travels through the internet, and finally, your message reaches its destination. Each component's role is crucial in this digital orchestra. As we look to the future, the evolution of computing technology promises even greater integration into our daily lives. Artificial intelligence, quantum computing, and cloud technologies are set to revolutionize the way we interact with machines. These advancements could lead to computers that are faster, more intuitive, and capable of handling complex tasks with minimal input from humans. Imagine a future where your computer anticipates your needs, schedules your appointments, and even suggests content based on your mood. This isn't just science fiction, it's the direction in which technology is headed. The continuous improvement of CPUs, the expansion of RAM capacities, and the enhancement of storage solutions all play a part in this futuristic vision. The potential for these technologies to impact our personal and professional lives is immense. From smarter homes to more efficient workplaces, the future of computing holds limitless possibilities. As we continue to explore and innovate, the journey of understanding and utilizing this technology is bound to deepen even further, transforming our interaction with the digital world in profound ways.